Welcome everyone, I am back. Guess what? Today is July the 26th, 2022. We're going to talk about Axie Infinity today and show you all a whole lot of supply is hitting this particular market in Axie Infinity, or I usually say stockpile that's coming in and pushing the value of this currency to the downside. I want to show you at what level that is occurring so that we can be prepared and understand where the market is likely to go without the confusion. So to everyone who is new, welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create price predictions. I come through and give you all the news according to the charts because it's not hard and it's not complicated. The name of the game is for us to make money. That's it. And in order for us to have the competitive advantage over all of our other market participants, we need to make sure that we are able to forecast where prices are going to go. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe, tap that bell notification as well, because I am here to do just that. Now, look at this. I've already got a price prediction on the chart for Axie Infinity, and I was looking for the market to go up, right? June 26th, 2022 was the day that I've created this price prediction. You guys can see that anticipation was for price to move higher in Axie Infinity, and look at how long it's been. Here it is, a whole month, and the market in Axie Infinity has not moved one iota. Hasn't really moved anywhere within our price target area. That's the title of this video. Supply is hitting the market in Axie Infinity, and the buyers have been overwhelmed by all of the stockpile that's been hitting the market. It's been suppressing the price. When you see these type of things, you need to come in and adjust, which is why I'm here today. We're going to adjust our ideas to, okay, since the buyers could not bring price into our price target area, then obviously something else is going on in the market. Let's talk. So what I'm going to do, I don't like the fact that the price over the last 30 some days did not even indicate that it wanted to move up. That's not a good thing. It's not. We gave the market opportunity. Like, we can't say that we didn't give the buyers time to confirm that they wanted to lift the price in Axie Infinity. We gave them 30 days. Like, how long do you expect us to wait just for the buyers to move the market up higher? If they're not able to do it within 30 days, then we need to definitely come in and reevaluate the situation. That's what I'm saying. So now let's go ahead and get rid of this. I don't like how the market in Axie Infinity saw rejection numerous times right here. Okay, this is where the supply, this is where the stockpile is coming into the market in Axie Infinity right here. $18.15, $18 even, who knows? But that's the area, that's the vicinity that we need to pay attention to. Now let me show you why. On these days, starting yesterday, the 25th of July, right? Then you have here on the 24th, you got there here on the 23rd. You guys can also see here on the 20th of July, the 19th of July, taking it all the way back to June 26th, taking it all the way back to June 25th. The market in Axie Infinity could not break price above $18. This is where the market is getting walloped with supply. Now, we're trending down again in Axie Infinity. That tells us that the buyers are not willing to buy the stockpile that is coming in the market around $18. So we need to cut this play. If it were to get out the market now, then that's a loss of around 12%. All right. Now, if I suspect that price is going to continue to fall in Axie Infinity, this 11.9% is nothing compared to where price could ultimately be going. So let's cut that. Okay. Now, you guys can see that the long-term trend, though, to where the market in Axie Infinity began to move lower, the price has broken that trend line. Okay. So this is no longer applicable right now. So I'm going to cut that. Now, you all can see here that the overall trend here in Axie Infinity is still trending on this long-term ascending line. So we can still see the price come and fall. Let's see, another 44%. We can still see that. That's still something that we need to consider and make sure we keep in the forefront and not forget that the ultimate price in Axie Infinity may try to come all the way down to around like $8. Okay. Now let's get back to this, because we need to try to determine how low will price go, right? 2-day chart, you guys can see that currently right here, we saw the market move up, then we saw the market move down. Look at this, it looks the same. Market went up, next 2-day price bar, and went down. You guys can see how low the market went. Looked like it went down to $13.50, right? So I'm looking around $14 to $13.50 as that first area of support. Okay, this is it on a 3-day chart, and I don't like it here neither. It confirms that the weakness is still present into the market in Axie Infinity. Overall, I'm just not bullish. Now, we can still see the price in Axie Infinity trade this way though. We can still see it trade range bound. We can still see that, to where the market would just continue to bounce and go sideways. We can see that too. Okay, so this is Axie Infinity here on the 5-day chart. Again, these are opportunities, right? These are opportunities for us to see the buyers exceed price above $18, right? This was their opportunity to confirm and let us know that, yeah, I'm bullish. They're willing to put the money on the line and say, look, I'm looking for the price in Axie Infinity to break 18 on these 2 5-day price bars. And you all can see that they did not do it. They didn't do it. And if they couldn't do it then, over the last 10 days at least, that is why the price is coming down now, because the buyers gave up and they ran out of money. It's like, look, I can't continue to try to hold the price up here around 18. I need some more buyers to come in and try to break this $18 price. So right now, this shows us that they're not ready. So we are going to play the weakness into the market in Axie Infinity then. Okay. Now, I told you $14 could be a first area of support. 14. That would be pretty good for us to know that the buyers are now coming back into the market. That would be the best outcome that we can see, because it tells us that the market ain't that weak if we see the buyers come in around 14. My second area is around 13.50. That gives us 9.5%. My third price target is down here around $13. Okay. Now I'm going to extend the ultimate area restriction up here around 18. I'm going to take my ultimate area of support right there around 12. And that's it. We're in play. We're in position. We got a couple of price targets within our price target area. $14, $13.50, $13, and $12. Those are the areas that I'm expecting the buyers to try to appear in the market. Your turn. Give me your price prediction, your price target into market for Axie Infinity. Where do you think the market is going to go throughout the month of August? Okay. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.